Hello, my wonderful backyard gardeners. Today I began harvesting the second batch of our elderberries, and the tree has a little bush. I call it a bush, but I've seen these grow really tall, and I've been harvesting them slowly. They start off as these pretty little flowers, and eventually you get these beautiful little berries. See them? Okay. Oh, wonderful. So I am going to now go ahead and harvest these, and got my first batch, so here it is. And what I do is I just sit there and pluck these out, wash them, and pour whatever ration of water, and then kind of put it on the stove and let it bring out its flavors. And then after that I put it through a sieve, and I have what I would call the extract part of it, and then I kind of, to my own flavor, put whatever amount of sugar I like. I like using sugar. Some people like to use honey. And then I get this beautiful looking liquid. And you can make it as strong as you want, or you can make it as light as you want, depending on the intensity. Like what I found about elderberry, it has a very, I call it old world flavor. A great antioxidant for the body. It's that beautiful color. Look at that. Anyway, cheers and enjoy this beautiful day. Delicious.